What is going on, everyone, and thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to unbox and review the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro Instant Camera. My friends over at Kodak Photo Printer sent me this camera to unbox it, show you what you get, and also review it to give you all the details about this camera. I'm super excited to get into this, so let's unbox it first, then let's go over the details, and then I'll tell you where you can buy it. Alright, so the first thing you get is a 3x3 cartridges. And you got another one right here, so you got 60 altogether, which is a great value. And then here is the camera, the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro Instant Camera. And in here you get your user guides, your thank you, and some warranty stuff. Got a little strap, and also the charger. Alright, so now that we unboxed it and you saw all the great stuff that comes with it, let's talk about all the awesome details about this camera. So one of the most important things about this camera is the affordability. If you're comparing this to other instant cameras on the market, you're looking at 30 cents per photo compared to $1 per photo with the Fujifilm Instax. To me, that sounds like a pretty good deal, and I think I might want to go with this one instead to save a little bit more money. So along with the affordability, this thing is also a 2-in-1. So the first thing is that it's an instant camera. The second thing is that you can pair any smartphone with it to print your photos from your gallery. So for me, that's a pretty cool feature because if I don't want to take a new photo, I can load up an old photo from my gallery and print it with this guy. Being a photographer, I've used a lot of instant cameras that are on the market, but by far, this is the best printing that I've seen from instant camera due to their 4-pass sub-die printing that it offers. Going along with the beautiful print quality, you're also going to expect this print to last 100 years due to the lamination process, so you can keep your memories forever and ever. Another great feature about this camera is that it offers 2 printing modes, border and borderless photos. Along with having the option of going border or borderless photos, you can also decorate the frames of the borders. So I could keep going on and on with the great features of this camera, but I want you guys to check it out. So click the link below, check out this camera, and start making some new memories with this camera. Lastly, I want to say thank you again to the Kodak Photo Printer company for sending this out to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below with any questions you may have, and I'll see you guys in my next video.